The moment she placed her first step on the grand marble staircase, the entire room fell into a silence so heavy it felt like time itself had stopped breathing. Hundreds of eyes locked onto her, not with admiration at first, but with disbelief, confusion, even quiet judgment. Because no one in that glittering ballroom knew the truth hidden beneath the shimmering elegance of her gown. Oh, and no one expected that the woman walking down those steps had once been invisible to them all. Before we begin, if you believe in kindness, second chances, and stories that remind us what truly matters, take a moment to like this video, share it with someone who needs hope today, and subscribe to the channel. Your support helps these stories reach hearts that need them most. Her name was Alina, and just 2 years before that breathtaking night, she was someone no one noticed. She worked quietly behind the scenes in that very same mansion, polishing floors that others walked on without a second glance, wiping fingerprints off crystal railings that sparkled under golden chandeliers, and collecting discarded glasses after extravagant parties that she was never meant to be a part of. She moved like a shadow, present but unseen. Her hands were always busy, her back often aching, her dreams tucked away in the smallest corners of her heart where no one could ridicule them. Alina had grown up in a world where survival came before ambition. Raised by a single mother who worked tirelessly until illness took her away, she learned early that life did not hand out miracles. It demanded endurance, and so she endured. She took the janitor job at the mansion not because she loved it, but because it was the only thing standing between her and the streets. Every night, as laughter echoed through the halls from the wealthy guests above, she would clean in silence below, imagining what it must feel like to belong to that world, if only for a moment. But life has a strange way of testing the quietest soul. One winter evening, during one of the mansion's most extravagant charity galas, something unexpected happened. A young girl no older than 10 collapsed near the staircase in the middle of the event. Panic spread quickly through the elegantly dressed crowd. People stepped back, unsure of what to do, afraid of making the situation worse. The music stopped, whispers filled the air, and yet no one moved forward, except Alina. Still in her simple uniform, her hands trembling but her instinct stronger than her fear, she rushed forward. Years ago, her mother had taught her basic first aid, a lesson she never thought she would need again. But in that moment, everything came rushing back. She knelt beside the girl, ignoring the stares, ignoring the unspoken rules that someone like her should not be in the spotlight. She focused only on the child, her breathing, her pulse, her life. Minutes felt like hours, but slowly the girl began to respond. Her breathing steadied, her eyes fluttered open. Relief washed over the room like a wave, but Alina barely noticed. She stepped back quietly, ready to return to her invisible place. But someone had seen her. Among the guests was a woman named Eleanor, a renowned designer known not only for her breathtaking creations, but for her keen eye for something far deeper than beauty. She saw the courage in Alina's actions, the quiet strength that couldn't be taught or bought. And more than that, she saw something familiar, a reflection of her own past, a reminder of the girl she once was before the world changed her. Eleanor approached Alina later that night, not with praise, but with curiosity. She asked about her life, her story, her dreams. At first, Alina hesitated. People like Eleanor didn't usually ask questions, they gave orders. But something about her presence felt different, genuine. And for the first time in years, Alina spoke not as a worker, but as a person. Days turned into weeks, and what began as a simple conversation turned into something life-changing. Eleanor offered Alina a chance, not out of pity, but out of belief. She invited her to work alongside her, to learn, to grow, to step into a world she had only ever watched from afar. It wasn't easy. Alina doubted herself at every step. She felt out of place, overwhelmed by the expectations, haunted by the fear that she didn't belong. There were nights she almost gave up, nights when the weight of her past felt heavier than the hope of her future. But each time, she remembered that little girl on the floor, and the moment she chose courage over fear. And slowly, piece by piece, she began to rebuild herself. She learned the language of elegance, not just in fashion, but in confidence. She discovered that grace wasn't about where you came from. It was about how you carried yourself through what you had endured. Eleanor became more than a mentor. She became the guiding light Alina never had, pushing her to see her worth even when she couldn't. And then came the night that changed everything. The mansion hosted another grand gala, bigger, brighter, more extravagant than ever before. But this time, things were different. This time, Alina wasn't there to clean. She was the centerpiece. The gown she wore was a masterpiece, designed by Eleanor, but brought to life by Elena's journey. Every bead, every stitch, every shimmer told a story of resilience, of transformation, of a woman who refused to remain invisible. As she stood at the top of the staircase, her heart pounded, not with fear, but with the weight of everything she had overcome. And then she stepped forward. The same guests who once overlooked her now watched in awe. The whispers were no longer filled with doubt, but with admiration. They saw elegance, beauty, confidence, but what they didn't see was the strength it took to become that woman. As she reached the bottom of the staircase, her eyes scanned the room not for approval, but for meaning. And in that moment, she understood something powerful. This wasn't about proving them wrong. It was about proving herself right, that she was enough, that she always had been. Near the end of this story, if it has touched your heart in any way, take a moment to like, comment, and share it. Your support helps spread these powerful messages of hope and resilience to people who need them most. And before we reach the final moment, here's a special request. Comment below the word "I believe" if you think one act of courage can truly change a life. Because it can. Elena's story didn't end that night. It was only the beginning. She went on to become a symbol of transformation, not because she wore beautiful gowns, but because she carried a story that people could feel. She used her voice to uplift others like her, those who felt unseen, unheard, forgotten. She reminded them that their circumstances did not define their worth. And years later, when she stood once again in that same ballroom, this time not as a guest but as a host, she looked at the crowd and saw something different. Not status, not wealth, but stories. Hidden struggles behind polished smiles, silent battles behind perfect appearances. She knew now that everyone was fighting something, and sometimes all it takes is one moment of courage, one act of kindness, one person who chooses to see you, to change everything. Because the truth is, the world doesn't change when the powerful rise, it changes when the invisible are finally seen. The applause that filled the ballroom that night did not fade quickly. It lingered, echoing in the high ceilings long after the music resumed. But for Alina, the sound that stayed with her was not the clapping of hands, but the quiet realization beating in her chest, that she had finally stepped into a life she once only dared to imagine in silence. Yet transformation, as beautiful as it looks from the outside, carries its own weight. In the weeks that followed the gala, Alina's life shifted faster than she could process. Invitations arrived, opportunities unfolded, and people who had never noticed her existence suddenly wanted to know her story. She was featured in magazines, admired on stages, and praised for her overnight success. But deep inside, she knew the truth. It had taken years of pain, endurance, and quiet resilience to reach that single moment on the staircase. And still, despite all the attention, a small voice inside her whispered doubts she could not silence easily. It reminded her of the night she had cried alone, the days she had felt invisible, and the countless times she had been overlooked. That voice asked her a question she feared the most. What if she didn't truly belong here? There were moments when the glamour felt overwhelming, when the expectations became suffocating. People admired her strength, but they did not see the exhaustion behind her smile. They celebrated her journey, but they did not understand the scars it had left behind. Elena began to realize that stepping into the light did not erase the darkness she had lived through. It only made it more visible to herself. Eleanor noticed the change before anyone else did. She saw the hesitation in Elena's steps, the quiet distance in her eyes, the way her confidence sometimes flickered like a candle in the wind. One evening, instead of offering advice or pushing her forward, Eleanor simply reminded her of something simple yet profound. That strength is not about never doubting yourself, but about continuing despite those doubts. That reminder became a turning point. Elena stopped trying to be perfect. She stopped trying to fit into a version of herself that others expected. Instead, she began embracing every part of her journey, the struggles, the pain, the resilience. She realized that her story was not something to hide behind elegance, but something to carry with pride. And slowly, something remarkable began to happen. Instead of people seeing just a beautiful woman in a stunning gown, they began to see a story that reflected their own struggles. Letters started arriving from strangers, people who felt unseen, who felt forgotten, who felt like they didn't belong anywhere. They told her how her story gave them hope, how it made them believe that their lives could change too. For the first time, Alina understood that her journey was never just about her. It was about everyone who had ever felt invisible. With that realization, she made a decision that would define the next chapter of her life. She chose to use her platform not for fame, but for purpose. She began organizing small gatherings at first, spaces where people from all walks of life could come together and share their stories without fear of judgment. Those gatherings grew, turning into movements that reached far beyond the walls of any ballroom. She returned to the very neighborhoods she once struggled in, not as someone seeking sympathy, but as someone bringing opportunity. She funded training programs, supported single parents, and created pathways for those who felt stuck in circumstances they couldn't escape. Every step she took was guided by one belief: that no one should feel invisible in a world full of people. Life, as always, had more lessons to offer. One afternoon, during a visit to a community center she had helped build, Alina met a young girl sitting quietly in the corner. The girl reminded her so much of herself, reserved, watchful, carrying a weight far too heavy for someone so young. Their eyes met for just a moment, and in that silent exchange, Alina saw something she would never forget. It was the same look she once had, the look of someone waiting to be seen. Instead of giving a speech or offering advice, Alina simply sat beside her. She didn't try to fix anything. She didn't try to impress her. She just stayed. And sometimes that is the most powerful thing one person can do for another. Because in that moment, Alina understood something deeper than success or recognition. She understood connection. Years passed and Alina's influence grew far beyond what anyone had imagined. But no matter how far she went, she never forgot where she started. She would often return to that grand mansion, not as the girl who once cleaned its floors, but as someone who had transformed its meaning. The staircase that once felt like a symbol of distance between two worlds became a reminder of what was possible. And one evening during another grand event, something extraordinary happened again. A young staff member, nervous, unnoticed, standing at the edge of the room, caught Alina's attention. There was something familiar in her posture, in the way she avoided eye contact, in the quiet way she carried herself. Without hesitation, Alina walked toward her. Not as a guest, not as a symbol, but as someone who remembered exactly what it felt like to stand in that place. She didn't need to say much. She simply smiled, acknowledging her presence in a way no one else had that night. And in that small gesture, something powerful shifted, because sometimes being seen is the beginning of everything. As the night continued, Alina stood once again at the top of the staircase, looking out at the crowd below. But this time, her perspective had changed completely. She no longer saw a room divided by status or wealth. She saw individuals, each carrying stories, struggles, dreams. She saw humanity. Near the end of this journey, if this story has touched your heart even a little, take a moment to like the video, share it with someone who needs inspiration, and let us know your thoughts in the comments. Your engagement helps keep these meaningful stories alive. And before we close, here's a special request. Comment the word "seen" if you believe everyone deserves to be noticed, valued, and given a chance. Because that is the truth this story carries. Alina's life was never about becoming someone extraordinary in the eyes of the world. It was about becoming someone who could help others see their own worth. Her journey was proof that even in the quietest corners of life, where no one is watching, strength is being built, courage is being shaped, and stories are waiting to unfold. And sometimes, all it takes is one moment. All it takes is one moment. One step forward, one person choosing to see another, to change everything. Because in the end, the most powerful transformation is not the one that turns heads in a crowded room. It is the one that touches hearts in ways words can never fully explain.